Looks like a lot of you guys got hooked on the Spider-Man web shooter I made about a month ago. And since then, I've been thinking a lot about making a new upgraded version. So in this video, we're gonna build an awesome new web shooter together. I'll show you every single step in detail.
Please hit that subscribe button.
Before we get started, I need you guys to prepare a few things so we can build this awesome toy. I have to mention two important parts: an 8mm spring that's 45cm long, and a round magnet that's about 3mm in size, small and large popsicle sticks, super glue, a soldering iron to make holes more easily, or if you don't have one, a small utility knife will work too, and a piece of foam board or cardboard about 2mm thick, different types of tape, and a few other small things as well. Alright, for the first step, I'm gonna draw the template. You can pause the video to take a screenshot and create your own version. Now, I'm gonna cut out these pieces. Bend them carefully. Make sure to keep the back part flat. Now cut out these small pieces. If you notice your cuts aren't clean, that probably means your blade is dull. If that's the case, make sure to sharpen it or replace it with a new one. That'll help you get much smoother cuts. We're going to glue them together in this order. But before doing that, let's add a bit of red and black paint. Paint this part black. And use red to highlight the Spider-Man symbol. Here's the result. Looks pretty sharp, right? Now use some super glue to hold everything firmly in place, just like this. Back to the template. I'm going to cut out these two pieces. This step really requires some skill from your hands, because it will determine how sharp and precise your web shooter looks. I'll paint both of them black. Add a bit of super glue. Then attach this piece to the bottom. Take a sheet of paper and draw a rectangle that's 25 centimeters long and 2 centimeters wide. I need you to roll the paper strip around the outside of the spring like this. Then secure it with super glue. Add a few more layers of glue to make it stronger and more durable. Once the glue is completely dry, just check the fit with your spring to make sure it still slides freely. We're going to cut out this circular piece, about 10mm diameter, with a 7mm hole in the center. I'm using this soldering iron to make the hole, but you can use another tool if you don't have one. Now I'm gonna glue these two pieces together. Next, cut out a rectangle that's 115mm long and 55mm wide. Then roll it tightly around a small wooden stick. Finally, add plenty of glue to make it super strong and solid. Take the magnets you prepared earlier. Glue them firmly to both ends. And this is what you'll get. Cut a strip of paper 5mm wide and 250mm long. Wrap it evenly around one end, leaving a small gap at the magnet end. That will help the projectile stick to metal surfaces. Insert your spring into this piece and add a little super glue to make sure it won't fall out.
Alright, if you've done everything correctly so far, your two parts should fit together like this. Go ahead and cut out this piece. I'm going to paint this side black. And the other side silver. It'd be a bit boring if we only used black, right? Here's the result we get. Bend it and glue it with some super glue. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to support me. Thank you so much. Now let's see what I'm going to do next. Cut out this next piece. Then bend it like this. Paint the whole thing black. Add a bit of super glue and attach it firmly to the main body. Now we'll have two pieces with these dimensions. I'm going to paint one black and the other red. Glue the black piece right here. And place the red one in the middle like this. I cut out two pieces with holes like this. Glued them firmly together. And connected them with a piece of tape. If it can bend like this, that means you did it right. Attach each magnet into each hole. And make sure they're all facing the same side. Continue with these two other pieces. And glue them together using super glue. Paint everything black. Now attach the magnets into each hole, same side facing out, but in the opposite direction from the previous piece. Apply a few layers of super glue over the surface to keep everything firmly in place. If you followed the steps correctly, the two pieces should attract each other and work like this. Secure both pieces together at the back using super glue. Now it's time to make the web cartridge. Use 2 popsicle sticks of different sizes and cut them to the lengths I'm showing you here. Next, attach the magnet so the web shooter can stick firmly to your wrist. Everyone's wrist size is different, so you'll need to adjust it to fit your own comfortably. Now I'm going to make the web string using a mask strap because it's smooth and has great elasticity. Or you can use thread if you prefer. Glue one end to the magnet. And place the other end inside the web cartridge we made earlier. Of course, reloading the web string is pretty slow and a bit boring, but maybe next time, I'll make a new web shooter with a more efficient reloading system. Let me know in the comments below if you'd like to see that. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button